Hi guys, what's up? Here we are back with a new video of MDCAT series. In today's video we will learn some more words of English vocabulary with their meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and also use them in sentences so that you can better understand. So without wasting any time, so let's start. But before that, like, comment the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can notify about the new video and stay connected. So here is the first word, which is beckoned, and its meaning is instruct someone to approach or urge us to discover something. Its synonyms are entice, invite, tempt, coax, charm, attract, wave, gestured, draw, and antonyms are repel, repulse, push, turn off, deter, reply. If we use it in sentence, then it will be like the beauty of our country have beckoned many tourists. Next word is coveted, means strongly desired by many or someone want to take this. Its synonyms are desirable, desired, and demand, sought after, and opposite words are dislike, hate, abjure, give, not want, be generous. Its sentence is I gave up coveted job of chief marketing. Next word is credentials, NV, which means qualification or piece of paper to show our qualifications. Its similar words are certificate, diplomas, documents, allow, vet, approve, and opposites are refusal, disapproval. And sentences recruitment is based mainly on academic credentials. Next word is capacious, having a lot of space inside, with synonyms roomy, commodious, big, large, ample, sizable, generous, and antonyms are cramped, small, tiny, squeezed. When we use it in sentence, it is like she rummaged in her capacious handbag. The next we have collided with word with meaning hit by accident. When moving, similar words are clash, differ, diverge, disagree, and opposite words are aid, assist, help, halt, retreat, lose, tap, stop, surrender, let go. Its sentence is she collided with someone. Now move to the next word, which is confront, with meaning argumentative intent. This word is used when we want to argue with someone. Similar words are face, beset, harass, worry, vex, irritate, strain, stress, annoy, oppress, exasperate, and opposite words are avoid, dodge, evade, surrender, back, down, yield. Sentence is he confronted the robbers as they were trying to leave. Next is compelled, means force. It is used when we are pressurized to do something. Similar word are pressure, impel, drive, press, push, urge, and antonyms are dissuade, discourage, halt, leave, alone, stop, block. And sentence is a sense of duty, compelled Harry to answer her questions. Hope you all are making sentence with me. Now move to the next page. Now we have the word crudely, which means makeshift way, with similar words artlessly, raw, roughly, inexpertly. And antonyms refined, filtered, calm, smooth, reasonable. A sentence is the crudely stitched flag. Next is coaxed, means gently, and synonyms are lure, cajole, entice, flatter, wheedle, persuade, beguile, entice, and antonyms are discourage, repel, turn off, disgust, disenchant, repulse. And sentence is the trainees were coaxed into doing boring work. Moving to the next, which is comprehension, means the ability to understand something, and similar words are grasp, grip, conception, ken, knowledge, awareness, cognition, and antonyms are ignore, mistake, misunderstanding, misinterpretation. And sentence is some won't have the least comprehension of what I'm trying to do. Next is curious, which mean eager to know something, and synonyms are extraordinary, remarkable, mystifying, mysterious, baffling, perplexing, unaccountable. And opposite words are average, ordinary, uninterested, normal, indifferent, disinterested, unconcerned, incurious. And the sentence is I began to be curious about the whereabouts of the bride and groom. Next is casually, with meaning informal way, when we are not doing something special, with similar words informally, by chance, inadvertently, unintentionally. And opposite words cautiously, attentively, meticulously. And sentence is she was just casually strolling through the mall. Now before moving to the next, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel to stay connected. Next is confining, means restrict someone, with synonyms enclose, intern, impound, imprison, incarcerate, and antonyms freeing, liberating, releasing, delimiting. And sentence he does not confine his message to high politics. Next word is crammed, with meaning completely fill to the point of overflow, when there is no place to add more. Its synonyms are stuff, pack, jam, fill, crowd, throng, rout, crush, overfill and antonyms: diet, fast, let, abstain, go, pull, nibble, release, surrender. Uncompressed sentence is the ashtray by the bed was crammed with cigarette butts. Next is confirm, and its meaning is correctness or to make sure whether the things are true or false. Its similar words are affirm, corroborate, reassert, support, sustain, and antonyms are confuse, deny, disallow, refuse, reject, disagree. Sentences: he had been baptized and confirmed. And the last one is cautioned, which means say something as a warning, and its synonyms are advise, warn, urge, recommend, counsel, exhort, admonish, and antonyms are rashness, hastiness, abruptness, precipitousness. And sentences: advisors have cautioned against tax increases. And that all for today. Hope so you like the video. If you want PDF then comment, and stay blessed and connected still the next video, and thanks for watching.